Let's do an unboxing. K-Beauty edition. First one, this is my favorite sunscreen and it works wonderful. If you have oily skin, this is your go-to. I have to restock on this one. I'm trying this new vitamin C. I'll let you know if it works. I'm trying this intense cream. It's supposed to help you with your skin barrier because I'm gonna start using like retinol, so this is how it looks. I'm trying this one. I've never tried it before. Is it a retinol? Yeah, it is. And the last one, I got a mini one because the one that I've used before broke me out, so I'm scared to try Rice Toner. So anyways, that's all.